I think that I'm just very frisky and naughty and dirty and there. You have to love yourself, and I think Risky just came about just very spontaneously. So it just defines me in a way, don't you think?
Absolutely, I couldn't have said it better.
Yeah.
In fact, my favorite read in your blog is a blog called Twinning is Winning.
Absolutely.
So if you could twin with anybody in the world or anybody in this room, who would you choose?
I choose Riddick tonight because I really love HRX, the brand. I think it really is really out there. It's so international itself. So I would love to twin with Riddick, and Atiya is also extremely fashion. She's just very confident, and she just
He's asking you what is twinning. He wants you to
twinning. You don't know what twinning is? We're basically wearing the same clothes together, you know? So we're gonna wear HRX one day, hopefully soon enough, together, and let's do this.
Absolutely.
So I think for your benefit, in her blog, she teaches a lot of new words. Another word I've just learned is called fiction. Would you like to tell us about what is fiction?
So fiction is all about, it just came very randomly in my mind, and it just came very, it just about fashion and about fitness, and it just came out there one day when I was actually just working on the blog, and boom, fiction. So here it is. I want everybody to use this hashtag because I think it's one very trendy word. So let's do this.
Absolutely, fiction. Okay, so tell me something. You also speak in your blog that the mane or your hair is mane. I see a phrase called mane is mane. Who is the main man in your life? And I mean the hairdresser.
That is, I can't tell. It's a secret I'm never gonna reveal. So too bad. But y'all can follow me on the blog and see all the different hairstyles.
Wow, I see you've got a lot of love in this audience.
I love them too.
We love you too.
Even more, you'll follow me tonight on Risky Vanity, on my Instagram and Twitter and everything else on social media. Thank you.
I just have one last to fill. So what are you going to do to make you stand out?
See, I've never thought of all this illustriousness and all of that. I don't believe in all of these things. I just believe in just being yourself and being true and just being, what you are. So this is me.
Today she's come in full support of her youngest. And may we please have her on stage for this very important role.
Thank you everybody for being here, and if I'm dressed atrociously, you can just blame the children.
Risky.
I don't know what sporty chic means. I just borrowed shoes from my husband's closet or whatever she had sent me and dressed from another child, and I said, is this sporty enough? And they said, it kind of do. So sorry, I'm not in a sari, but I dare not disobey, and that's the kind of mother I am. So today is my motherhead moment. I have to say that with Anandita, she was the youngest of 6 children, so it wasn't easy for her growing up with siblings who are already pretty accomplished and confident, and they knew where they were going. And as the youngest, we did bully her a lot. The siblings did, so did I. We corrected her all the time.
Still do.
Still do. Anna, how much rundown have you had?
To be honest, it's just the energy in the room which is keeping me there.
Calm down. At any rate, she surprised us all. She really, really did. At a time when we were all saying, oh God, where is Anna going? What is she doing? One day she wants to be a DJ, next day she wants to be a PR person, third day she's selling art. And then one fine day, thanks to Avantika, who said, you write quite well, your photographs and your workouts scare the hell out of us, but why not put it all into a blog? So that's how the blog actually happened. So thank you, Avantika, for that trigger.
Cheers, Anna.
Cheers, Anna.
You, Shandong, my favorites. If I ever drink, it's only Shandong, guys.
And then suddenly this new creature appeared who we did not recognize at all. She was bursting with confidence and she was bullying the hell out of us. It became a reverse trip. And suddenly we were following her instructions. But actually not a bad thing to do. We have been bullying you for years, but I think something good has come out of it all. And there you are, and we are so, so, so proud of you. So proud of you. So, a fantastic launch, and we are so lucky to have someone with us tonight as our chief guest, who is always in his own way read Risque Life, and represents Risque on many levels, choices of films that he's made. And I have to say, before I say Hrithik Roshan, that age sometimes works for women. I'll tell you how. For me, it certainly does. I knew your parents when they were students. We are almost exactly the same age. Your father's younger, as a matter of fact, we were in college together. So that suits me just great because I can always call up and say, hey, you know, your son, I know he's a superstar, but we were at college together. So it's a huge advantage. With Atiya, I knew her grandparents. So that gives me a double advantage. Not just her parents, but her grandparents too. And Kanika and Yasha, family to us. So I can always call them up and say, guys, you got to do this. And we love you, all four of you, for being with us tonight. Thank you very much. All the friends here who are here to support Anandita and Risque. So I'd like to invite Hrithik on stage to start with. And Kabil releases next month.
आदमी का
That's what we're going to see. Yes!
की ताकत होती है।
Yes!
तुम और मैं हम कमजोर नहीं हैं।
दो नेगेटिव्स पॉजिटिव कैसे हो सकते हैं? अंधेरा अंधेरे को रोशन तो नहीं कर सकता रहूं।
लेकिन अंधेरे में अगर किसी का साथ होना सो तो अंधेरा कम लग सकता है। ऐसा लग रहा है कि रियल लाइफ में भी दो नेगेटिव्स पॉजिटिव बने जा रहे हैं। तुमने मेरी हमारी दुनिया से ज्यादा अंधेरा तो आपके लॉ एंड ऑर्डर में।
Applause for Hrithik. A tough role and a risky role, and we wish you every success. As always, you push the limits, and I'm sure you're going to succeed big time. So, Anandita, I'd like to just welcome you.
I was having such a good time. I was so relaxed and enjoying myself. And then you had to go play this trailer, and now all palpitations are back in. But coming back to this wonderful evening, I've got to learn so many new things. Twinning and what was it? Twinning and
Fiction.
Fiction. Yeah. We gotta chat about that. Okay. Yeah. So well, I have to say that we spoke a little and I learned about your journey. Anandita's journey has been quite incredible and very, very inspiring. And the fact that she's taken something that is a part of her life and taking that and finding a way to contribute back to the world, I think that is so tremendous. To have a desire to be in service to the world, to inspire, I think is the most wonderful thing you can do in your life. So, like mother, like daughter, I would say, like all the family, I think, wonderful. I think you are a very, very strong individual. I love the way you express yourself. Not many have the courage. I think fitness is about absolutely. Your passion, I share the same passion. So I see myself in your passion. So I'm delighted to be here. And of course, as I said, I love the way you express yourself. And fashion is one of the most incredible, wonderful ways to find your own self-expression. And it takes guts. It takes guts. And you have it. You have guts, you have passion, you have individuality, you have self-expression. Anandita, you have it all.
Thank you
Yeah.
so
And I love the word risque. I actually had to look it up this morning. And delighted with all the wonderful meanings of this word, risque. I love it. All the best. And count me in whenever you want to work out or something. We'll
We love that.
we'll twin weather same stuff and do some
HRX
kick-ass
style
workout.
workout.
Absolutely. All the best. And yeah, 3 cheers for Anandita. How do we see the
Athia, may I invite you on stage? And stylish Athia, who's off to London to shoot for Mubarakan, her second film. Her first film, Hero, did very well. And her second film with the two Kapoors, Anil and Arjun. So, big cheer for Athia for being here, for sparing time for us. And Anamita, do you want to welcome?
Firstly, I'm extremely excited to be here today, so thank you. I love the name, but I love saying it even more, risque. I think, and I just want to say you've inspired me today with your journey. I think it takes a lot of guts, and you exude confidence, and you're positive. You're so positive the way you express yourself, your energy, and I think you'll be helping so many young girls out there. Growing up, all of us have insecurities. All of us go through that awkward phase. And it's just about coming out strong, believing in yourself, and you've proved that. Thank you. So thank you, and thank you for doing this. It helps a lot of young girls. And yeah, fashion to me is always about expressing myself and an extension of my personality. And fitness has always been a part of my family. I think since I was born, my father has always told me play a sport. So before I had to do homework, I had to play a sport. So I think that's really important. It builds teamwork. And yeah, so thank you for this. And
Thank you so much, Athia, for
I
being
wish
here.
you all the best. Thank you. Thank you.
And may I request both our family friends, Yash and Kanika, to come up on stage. And Anandita, please welcome them. Kanika is by far the most popular singer right now in the region. She's had one super hit after another. And we're really, really happy to have her join us this evening. And Yash, boys, family, and you've been biggest inspiration, she says. Well, I've really seen Yash growing up since he was a kid. So to see him the way he is today, and also to get to know Kanika better, from all of us in our family, it's a wonderful moment to have all 4 of you on stage. And if you'd like to say something, Kanika, for Anandita.
Well, all I'd say, Anna Banana.
Hey!
Come on, guys, 3 cheers for her. I think a lot has been said, but I just say that I am super inspired by you. I secretly watch your videos every day, maybe a few times. I'm not very good on watching Snapchats and more, but I check you out every day. So I think
That's big coming from me.
Check you
Thank
out.
you.
And I'm so happy to be here. I'm glad I made it. And thank you for having me.
Love you.
Thank you so much, Shubha, for your warm words. And Anna, all my love. And I have to tell everybody here that basically fitness is from the mind, body and spirit. I have never seen somebody with so much dedication where you can put everything aside. Besides, of course, your career and your parents and your family, which is what most proud to Anandita. She can put everything else aside and focus on fitness. And these are the people like her who inspire the youth and continuously will continue to do so. And I'm sure your journey will be an eye-opener to a lot of people to get into fitness, pursue it passionately, and evolve as better human beings with a great life. And all the best to Risque and all of you. All my love and good
I love you, Kutu. You know that.
wishes. Always.
So thank you all very much. Just to say that it's not about perfection in life, it's about imperfection and how you acknowledge it and how you deal with it. And I think that's really the big risk that Risque took, is the big risk that Anandita herself has demonstrated in her young life. And it's a risk that we all appreciate. So here's to Risque, and here's to all of us, and all of us tonight, and to a great year ahead. Thank you all so much for being here.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
And now comes the moment. Magic button and the blog will go live. The magic moment.
She says, as long as you wear your smile, you're perfectly attired. So continue the night over Shanton and conversations and get risque!